Looking for the best lawn mower in 2026? In this video, we've reviewed the top 3 best lawn mowers to help you choose the perfect model for your yard and budget. Whether you need a powerful gas mower, a quiet cordless electric mower, or a smart robotic mower, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to discover the top-performing lawn mowers with the best features, reliability, and overall value this year. Number 3. The Greenworks 60-voltage 21-inch brushless cordless lawn mower is a powerful, user-friendly alternative to traditional gas mowers, offering impressive performance without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. Equipped with a 60-voltage brushless motor, it delivers 50% more torque than Greenworks 40-voltage models and a 3,200 revolutions per minute blade speed, providing cutting power comparable to many 150 cubic centimeters gas mowers. Its durable 21-inch steel deck features an IPX4 waterproof rating, allowing you to mow damp grass and work in light rain with confidence. The innovative Smart Cut dual-blade system automatically adjusts power based on grass thickness, ensuring consistent performance in tall, wet, or dense lawns. With 4-in-1 functionality, you can mulch, bag, side discharge, or activate turbo leaf mode for seasonal cleanup. The mower is designed for comfort and convenience with oversized rear wheels, easy push handling, adjustable cutting heights, and LED headlights for mowing in low-light conditions. The dual-port auto-switch system seamlessly transitions to a second battery when the first runs low, minimizing interruptions during larger mowing jobs. Owners consistently praise its lightweight design, clean cutting performance, quiet operation, and impressive battery life. Many former gas mower users are pleasantly surprised by its power and appreciate eliminating fuel, oil changes, and engine maintenance. Compatible with more than 75 Greenworks 60V tools and backed by a 4-year tool and battery warranty, this mower offers excellent value for homeowners seeking reliable cordless lawn care. Number 2. The Honda HRXB 21-inch battery-powered lawn mower. HRX 217 expects a 6 brings Honda's legendary mowing performance into a quiet, low-maintenance cordless design. Built to deliver power comparable to Honda's trusted GCV gas engines, it provides excellent torque and consistent blade speed for cutting thick, challenging grass without sacrificing performance. The mower features Honda's versatile 4-in-1 Versamo system, allowing you to mulch, bag, discharge, or shred leaves without changing attachments. Its micro-cut twin-blade system creates finer clippings, improving mulching efficiency and maximizing the 2.2 bushel grass bag capacity. The 21-inch cutting deck and 7 adjustable cutting heights from 0.75 to 4 inches make it easy to achieve a clean, customized finish. Powered by a 12 lithium-ion battery, the mower delivers up to 45 minutes of runtime per charge, with a second battery bay available for extended mowing sessions. The self-propelled eSelect drive offers smooth, adjustable speeds from 0 to 4 miles per hour, making mowing easier on slopes and larger yards. Owners consistently praise its quiet operation, excellent mulching performance, and freedom from gas, oil changes, and pull starts. Longtime Honda users report that it performs remarkably close to traditional gas models while being much easier to operate. Although spare batteries are expensive, many feel the convenience, reliability, and reduced maintenance justify the investment. Backed by a 5-year residential warranty and Honda's nationwide service network, the HRXB is an outstanding choice for homeowners seeking premium battery-powered mowing performance. Number 1. The Ecovacs Goat 2000 LiDAR Pro Robotic Lawn Mower is an innovative wire-free solution that brings professional lawn care to homeowners with yards up to 1 by 2 acre. Unlike traditional robotic mowers, it requires no perimeter wire or RTK antenna. Its advanced hollow scope, 360 degrees dual EDR navigation automatically maps your lawn with up to 2 centimeters positioning accuracy, delivering reliable performance even under trees, near fences, or in areas where GPS-based systems struggle. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in TrueEdge edge trimmer, which cuts right along sidewalks, driveways, and flower beds. This significantly reduces the need for manual trimming, leaving your lawn with a cleaner, more polished appearance. Powered by a 32-voltage motor and dual-blade cutting system, the GOAT A2000 handles thick grass varieties such as Bermuda, Zoysia, Fescue, and St. Augustine with ease. The 113.4-watt fast-charging system fully recharges the battery in about 50 minutes, minimizing downtime and keeping your mowing schedule on track. Through the intuitive Ecovacs app, you can create multiple mowing zones, define no-go areas, adjust cutting height, customize mowing schedules, and monitor the mower remotely. Users praise its sturdy construction, sharp blades, and convenient smartphone control. Although it costs more than a traditional mower, many owners believe the automation, precision, and time savings make it well worth the investment. For anyone seeking a smart, low-maintenance lawn care solution, the GOAT A2000 LiDAR Pro is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching our review of the best lawn mowers in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect mower for your lawn and budget. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which lawn mower is your favorite or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.